Today, I'm showing you guys the secret to make the best gumbo ever. It's delicious, it's easy, let's get into it. To begin, we're going to season our chicken. I'm using 3 boneless, skinless chicken thigh. I'm going to mix that all together. For the seasoning, I'm using my Cajun Crush seasoning and also some paprika for some color. This Cajun seasoning is full of flavor. You can find it on my website, islandvibecooking.com. Season your chicken just like this, and now it's ready to pan sear. We're going to start by pan searing our sausages. We're going to allow it to get a nice, beautiful golden brown color. All right, now it's time for me to remove my sausage. All right, they're nice and golden brown. We're going to set that aside for now. Now it's time to pan sear the chicken. So I'm just going to add that right in until we have a beautiful color. We're not looking to cook the chicken, just for color, okay? Just like that. All right, guys, the chicken is nice and golden brown. We're going to remove it so we could set it aside for now. Looking good. Just remove that. Now I'm going to use the same skillet. All this in here is flavor, okay? I'm going in with a little bit more oil so we can make the roux. About ½ a cup of oil. Now I'm going in with ½ a cup of all-purpose flour. Add that in. Going to fry it. Oil. This needs to be fried up, okay? We're looking for a beautiful color. So we're just going to let this fry. Usually this takes about an hour. I'm not gonna hold you, but we're gonna try to put the heat a little higher and keep stirring it so we can make the process a little faster for us. Now you gotta babysit this. You gotta sit here and just keep stirring. If you have a sous chef, you might need help, okay? You might need help. All right, guys, as you guys can see, it's nice and beautiful, okay? The color is nice and brown, just how we like it. It took me maybe 20 minutes, okay, to get it to this color. So now we're going in with our onion. We're going in with some bell peppers. We are going in with celery. Just keep frying all that together. Next, we're going in with some garlic. We're going to fry everything together. This is beautiful, y'all. This is absolutely beautiful. The color is just perfection. Give that a nice stir until everything is nice and soft. Ooh, that looks so good. This is going to be so flavorful, y'all. Now I'm going in with my sausage. Add that in. Also, I'm going in with my chicken broth. I'm using about 5 cups of chicken broth. I'm gonna give that a nice stir just like this. Now I'm going to add the chicken right in. Everything is just going to simmer all together. A little bit more of the Cajun seasoning, thyme, oregano, and paprika. And this right here is some crawfish liquid. It's so good. It just enhances that flavor, that gumbo flavor. Now I'm going in with some bay leaves. I do have my shrimp, but I'm going to add it when it's almost ready to be done. We're just going to cover it, allow it to boil for about an hour. When it's almost ready, we'll add the shrimp. All right, guys, our gumbo is almost done, okay? It's been about an hour. We're about to add our shrimp in there. You know, shrimp don't take a long time to cook, so we're just going to add that in. Now, you don't need to season the shrimp, okay? all that juicy gravy is just going to get in the shrimp and make the shrimp nice and flavorful. We're gonna let it go for about, I'll say 7 to 10 minutes. Then our gumbo should be ready to go. Let me add some freshly chopped parsley, and it's literally ready to go in about 10 minutes. The gumbo is indeed done, okay? And it's looking good. I feel like I needed some blue crab in here. It looks so good. Okay, I'm about to plate it for y'all. Everything will be listed down below, so be sure to check the recipe and the measurements in the description box. Also, it's going to be on my blog. This looks so good, y'all. My mouth is literally watering. It is time for the taste test. I'm excited. You excited? Let's get into it. It looks so good. It smells amazing. The roux is beautiful. The color is just so vibrant. Okay, let's try it. Now that's what I'm talking about. I truly hope you give this recipe a try. Trust me, you will love it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's how you help your sister out. Give it a thumbs up. I know you're watching right now, so hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.